Hey, hello guys, this is Manar Gupta here with a ROM which is the RR version 5.6.6 recently developed by Abhishek for YUREKA. Now let's quickly go to the ROM and see what's inside this ROM. Now quickly going to the settings and configurations. As we all know, the RR ROM is famous for its customizations. Now quickly going to the status bar, we can see a lot of customizations which were present in the earlier versions of this ROM. Also, you can see a notification drawer which contains notification header as a customization, which you can control custom headers. As you can see up here, we have a new custom header which are very different from all those poly HD headers. We can control the notification header fonts and other stuff. You have notification color customizations and you can customize it according to your needs. Further, we have navigation bar settings which we can enable, and we have a pulse mode also which is present in this ROM by default. We have an option to choose the color of the lamp. Further going to the settings, we have smart bar settings and the pulse mode which I like the most in the navigation bar. Further, we can control the hardware keys from the button section, and we have all the settings that were present earlier, including the volume control, the volume steps which you can control in this ROM also. Now going to the lock screen, we have tweaks like lock screen UI. You can enable lock screen blur. We have media tweaks. And going to the gestures, we have gestures anywhere and app circle bar, miscellaneous settings, animations. Miscellaneous settings include many options like multi-window mode, ad blocker, FC notifications, etc. Now going to the other features like the memory consumption of this ROM. The memory consumption of this ROM was high, because of which we faced a lot of lags a bit in multitasking. Further going to the battery, we have a good battery backup on this ROM and the battery details are awesome. The app usage are displayed and you can see the idle time. Though I didn't got a great SOT with this ROM on heavy usage, overall the performance was great in terms of battery backup. Now going to other performance features which includes kernel auditor. I have Dominator kernel flashed right now and you can see the temperature is raised, maybe a kernel problem or the ROM problem. I will be digging into that. You can see the frequency table. You can make it out that I was on advanced usage. In this ROM you have customization options other than this, like further you have a customization option which is really rare, which is DOS power saver mode. You can see up here which is present in the miscellaneous settings. You can enable it from the miscellaneous settings in the configuration system, which can help you for a good battery backup. Now overall performance of this ROM was great, though we faced a bit of lags and the multitasking is not as that good as it is in the other ROMs, but the overall performance and their customizations are awesome. The Antutu benchmark score was very low than expected, which is 34,000 only, maybe because of the multitasking issue, less memory available, or the kernel issue. Though I am running this kernel on a power saver settings from now. Other than this, lags, a bug in the lock screen is present. You can see this bug while using the ROM, like now. When you lock the screen and you try to swap the camera icon, when you try to swap the camera icon, you can see a white box which will come up like this, and which may be a very bad thing, and you have to lock the screen again and then unlock it. Further, there are lags present in the lock screen also, and further you can see there is a delay, overall delay in the ROM. A great work is done by the developer Abhishek, and we expect more ROMs from this wave. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching this.